I do not want you to go through what I went through. I'm going to give you 6 things that you should do in nursing school or you should be doing that can help you to be successful. Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jumi. I am a final year nursing student. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to be successful in nursing school and as a nursing student. I'm going to categorize them into 2. The first category is how to stay organized. The second category is how to create effective techniques in studying. I believe these 2 things will contribute to your success in nursing school. In the first category, having a calendar, having a physical calendar, digital calendar, it's important to making your life easier. In this calendar, you are going to use it to track your homework, your classes, your clinical, your quiz dates, your exam schedule, your clinical paperwork, due dates. You need this calendar to be robust. What I meant by that, it should comprise everything that you got going on in that section, semester, whatever you got going on with school. If it has a date, put it in there, because what that's going to help you to do is if something comes up outside the school, you can plan it around the time frame that is open for you. The second thing in this organization category is to schedule your studying time. Make sure you pay attention to the time that your brain is more able to assimilate, to be able to digest, to be able to retain information. For example, mine is in the evening. In the morning, I'm good to go to class and all of that. But when it comes to studying, I'm very effective in the evening to the late night. I'm able to assimilate more. I'm able to concentrate more. I'm able to be more motivated. I don't know why. So try to figure that out. Third on the organization category is to make sure that you organize your study material. The example that I can give you, do you want to study that time frame that you allocated, like on example for on Monday? Do you want to allocate that to watching video, or do you want to read a textbook? Or do you want to do quizzing? Or you want to do combination of? You will determine this based on the topic at hand or the subject at hand. Try to organize your study material in such a way that you will maximize the time allotted for studying and you'll be able to get more out of your study. Moving to the second category, which is effective study techniques. One thing that I know works is active learning. I cannot emphasize enough. The use of active learning, especially for somebody like me. If you watch previous video, I talk about I am not a science student. I am a social science kind of person. So because of that, medical terms sometimes often sounds like jargons to me until I do my learning on my own with active learning. What I do is I summarize information in my own words. Active learning allows you to learn information and retain it. One of the way you can do that is by put what you read in your own word. So when you're reading and then you're writing your notes, put those notes in your own word. So since you already read the textbook, or you already read the information where you're reading it, or you already heard the information where you're hearing it from, when you're writing your notes, make sure that you write it in your own words. Then you will remember both, because if somebody is talking about that, you can relate those 2 together, and that helps a lot in recollecting information that you just learned. Another way you can use active learning technique is by teaching what you learn to somebody else. Like I said in my previous video, you have study partner, if you have family, you can teach them what you learn. Another active learning techniques you can use is a simple flashcards. When you write stuff and you go over it, it helps. So if you write your own flashcards, or you bought flashcards, studying it and looking at it, it helps your brain to retain the information. Second tip on effective studying technique is to break your section into smaller chunks. If you have 5 hours to study, try to break it into like about maybe 1 hour, take a 15 minutes break, another hour, take a 15 minutes break. That helps in giving your brain a break and you do something else, and then when you come back, it's fresh brain, and then you are able to learn more information in addition to what you already learned. This allows you to not be burned out, because if you burn out, it's like your brain is done. When the brain is done, what are you going to do? You're not giving the brain the break, so the brain is just going to be like, I can't do this no more. So, but if you give your brain break in between, it helps your brain to continue to assimilate what needed to be assimilated. If this video is helping you, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more and like this video to let me know, and leave me a comment on what if you have any question for me. Third tip I have on effective studying technique is to practice critical thinking. In my previous video, I talked about nursing school question, right? Because nursing school question is scenario based, it requires critical thinking. So how do you practice your critical thinking? The best way is by case studies. So there's a lot of case studies out there, right? It depends on what the program your school uses. If your school uses ATI, ETSI, if your school uses Evolve, I don't know. There's a lot of nursing question that is a test bank that you can try. There's a lot of other nurses that created program to help students and all sort of stuff. You can use that, and I'm pretty sure if you ask your professor can provide you with some case studies, and you can use this to practice your critical thinking. I hope you like and enjoy this video. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things from this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more if you want to see more of this type of video. And share this video with somebody that is about to go to nursing school, or is in nursing school, just getting to nursing school, or is struggling in nursing school. I thank you very much for being here. Thank you. Bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye.